welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into how Airbnb is planning this massive AI overhaul. And we're not just talking about a few tweaks to the search bar. Nope, they're basically aiming to become your personal AI-powered travel agent. We're going to break down how this AI revolution could completely change the game for both guests and hosts. And it all kicks off with this really powerful idea from Airbnb's CEO, Brian Chesky. See, the goal isn't just a smarter search function, it's to build a platform that actually anticipates what you need, maybe even before you know you need it. So let's unpack what that really means.
So, what is this AI native experience we keep hearing about? It's kind of a buzzword, right? But for Airbnb, it's not just some marketing slogan. It really signals a fundamental change in their whole strategy. They're moving away from being just a booking tool to becoming something way more integrated into your life.
In a nutshell, the goal is to transform the app from a simple tool you use into an intelligent partner. You can think of it like a personal concierge, one that not only helps you plan the perfect trip, but also helps hosts run their business better. And all of this makes Airbnb itself run a whole lot more efficiently.
Okay, so what does this AI copilot actually look like in practice, when you're actually using it? Let's break down how it's going to work for both guests and for the hosts. Right, this is where it gets really interesting. The days of just typing Paris and then scrolling through 1,000 listings, yeah, those are probably numbered. Instead, you're going to have a conversation. You could literally ask something like, hey, find me a quiet, family-friendly apartment in Paris that's near a museum and has a great bakery downstairs. The AI is being designed to understand that kind of super specific, nuanced request. And what's so cool about this is how it's built to serve both sides of the marketplace. For you, the guest, it's this super intuitive trip planner, but for hosts, it's a completely different tool. It's a powerful business assistant that can help them manage their properties way more effectively.
Now, beyond just booking your next getaway, AI is already making a huge impact on one of the most critical and sometimes frustrating parts of the travel experience: customer service.
And get this isn't just some far-off concept they're working on. It's already happening. Airbnb launched a bot powered by a large language model in North America last year, and it's already a core part of their support system. The results have been pretty staggering. This AI bot is already handling and resolving a full 1/3 of all customer problems, all without any human ever stepping in. I mean, think about that for a second. That means way faster answers for common problems, which makes customers happier, and, just as important, it frees up the human agents to focus on the really tricky, complex issues. But they're not stopping there. Their ambition goes way further. The goal isn't just to bump that 33% number up. They're planning to expand this service into a ton more languages, and this is the real game changer: add voice support. Can you imagine just calling a support line and having a totally natural conversation with an AI to get your problem solved? And this commitment to AI isn't just for customers, it's baked into their internal culture. Right now, 80% of their engineers are using AI coding assistants, and the goal is to get that to 100%. And why does that matter to you? Well, it's simple. When your developers can build things faster with smarter tools, they can ship more awesome, innovative features for all of us to use. So all of this brings us to the future of the platform itself. As the whole search experience becomes this personalized, AI-driven conversation, it opens up a huge question about the business side of things. Specifically, how do ads fit into this brand new world? Yeah, this is the multi-million-dollar question, isn't it? If an AI is acting as your trusted travel agent, your personal guide, how do you slide sponsored listings into that conversation without it feeling, sleazy and breaking that trust? Now, let's be clear, ads are definitely on the table. But Airbnb is signaling pretty loudly that they are moving with extreme caution here. They're running experiments, for sure, but they've also made it very clear that making money from ads is not their top priority right now. And here's exactly why. Chesky is adamant that before they even think about a new ad model, their entire focus, 100%, is on perfecting that conversational search experience, getting the user experience right, making it feel natural and trustworthy. That is priority number one, period. So, as Airbnb builds out this deeply integrated AI native world, we're really left with this big question. Is this just a smarter search bar at the end of the day? Or are we actually watching the birth of a true AI travel companion? One that might eventually plan every single part of our journeys? Well, I guess only time and our next vacation will tell.